Over here, just now I mentioned already, straight away M bar.
M bar.
Full hydraulic Shimano, okay, Japanese brand one. Shimano hydraulic disc brake.
Yeah.
Full hydraulic disc brake. Shimano Tiagra 10 speed R4700. Made in Japan gear set. Okay. Over here, you can see, okay, Light Pro's aluminium front adapter.
Front mounting also have already.
Correct. Aluminium one.
Yeah.
You can withstand heavier load. Over here, the front is a 20-inch 406 aluminium rim. Okay. Double wall with what? With dual silk bearing.
Wow.
Very
silk
smooth.
bearing.
Very
And
smooth.
it's a 20-inch 406.
Correct. Frame over here, we can see that the finishing is very nice.
Yep.
It's a gunmetal grey.
Gunmetal grey
Very
color.
unique. Gunmetal
It's
grey.
a full aluminium.
Correct. Full aluminium. Back to in the center over here. Okay, can see that this is a Light Pro Holotech.
Wow, Holotech also have already.
Have already. 56T.
5060.
56T. Okay, combined with your 10 speed. I tell you, you want to overtake a lot of people also easily.
Yep.
Okay, upslope also can.
Upslope. Easy peasy.
Even pedals, okay, we don't give you plastic one, okay. This is an aluminium Light Plus, full aluminium, no plastic at all, okay. Full aluminium foldable pedal.
Yeah, and also come with a reflector.
Reflector as well, correct or not? Okay, very sturdy, robust pedal over here because a lot of friends may break their pedal if they stand to pedal, right now. Over here, Light Pro anti-slip, full aluminium A61 seat post. Okay.
Seat post also full aluminium.
Correct. Okay.
And also anti-slip, right?
Anti-slip. New batch of A20, right, will be gel seat.
Wow.
Okay, gel seat.
Gel seat.
Very comfortable one. Okay, great for long distance. With this bike, you can travel like round island. We're talking about 65 kilometers and above.
Yeah, so short distance, long distance, also no issue, right?
No issue.
Even you want to travel to overseas, also can.
Overseas, no problem at all. Okay. Coil suspension over here.
Wow, suspension.
So if you can see, I don't know whether you can see from the screen, okay? When you go over humps and bumps, okay, you need to have suspension, okay, to make your bum more comfortable.
Your bum
Bum more comfortable.
Yeah, so long distance also
Okay.
more comfortable.
Correct, on uneven terrains like Coney Island, Pulau Ubin, okay, or even green corridors, okay.
St. John Island.
St. John Island, okay, you want to bring it there also can, okay. For the A20, you get a pair of 80mm easy wheel, okay, by Light Pro one, extender over here, okay. So when folded, later I show you, when folded, right, when you roll the bike, it's going to be smooth, it's going to be very stable.
Right.
Okay. At the back over here, okay,
Wow.
this is our demo unit, okay. The batch you are, those who pre-order, the batch you are getting, right, is much louder. Loud up. Cord bearing, 4 steel bearings inside. 4 steel bearings inside. The bearings are also, you know why we use steel bearings?
Why? I don't know.
Because it's more efficient.
Right.
Okay, and also it can withstand impacts more. 10 speed, okay, Sunshine 11T to 32T. Okay, 11T is the smallest T for higher speed. Okay, you want to overtake. You can even overtake some full-size bike easily. Chain is a Shimano 10-speed chain, okay? We don't use other brands, but Shimano 10-speed chain. Tiagra derailleur, okay, short cage one. Very nice. Extender over here, so when you fold the bike, the chain will have tension. The great, another, last one.
Last one,
Okay.
what's the last one?
Okay, the full hydraulic brakes here. Okay, Shimano full hydraulic disc brake. Okay,
Disc brake.
comes with a side stand.
Wow.
Comes with a side stand for you. Okay.
So no need to do any upgrade already.
No need.
And the whole bike, what's the weight?
The whole bike, okay, weighs approximately only 10.8.
10.8 kg
kg.
only,
Correct.
even lighter than some 16-inch Trifold bike, right?
Correct. Okay.
Because full aluminium,
Correct.
not only the body, the handlebar, the body triangle, seat post, full aluminium.
Correct.